18 months ago, there's no way in the world I would have thought that I'd be here today feeling the way I do, because I couldn't picture myself without a drink for 10 minutes, let alone 18 months. So I heard about the Gita course, and again I thought it was just ideal for me to go deeper and have the Bhagavad Gita explained to me. And obviously Keshava Swami is one of the best around that I've heard, that I've seen. He inspires me. I love listening to him, the way he articulates, the way he talks. I feel fulfilled, you know. I couldn't imagine myself being where I am today. Plead with other alcoholics, addicts, take a chance, you know, have a little bit of faith, listen to where I'm coming from, because I was in your position 18 months ago. I thought my life was over. I'd kind of accepted the fact that I was probably going to die through alcohol. And now I'm here telling my story and feeling so positive. It's saving my life.